Hey guys, John here, 1984 barbecue. Today we're going to be doing something freaking awesome, something I've never done before. We're going to be doing Wagyu Picanha from Snake River Farms. Here we go. Here it is. It's black. It's Snake River's black. It's not gold. It's black. I'll kind of hold that up there for you so you can kind of see Snake River Farms. All right. This is about 3.5 pounds, guys, what this is. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cut open here. And get this bad boy on out of there. I'm going to get my knife again, guys. All right. All right, guys. Get that out of the way. I have a little bit of trimming to do here, it looks like. Some silver skin there to get off. And I'm not going to bore you with all this, guys, but we're going to get this silver skin off there just real lightly. Don't want to take a whole lot of meat. See that? We just want to go in real light with our knife. Trim that down. Because this is expensive, guys. This was about 75 bucks or better. Okay? I paid for it out of my own money. It was not sent to me by Snake River Farms. But just look at that marbling in there, guys. That marbling's fantastic, alright? So anyways, guys, I'm going to continue to get this trimmed up, and I will bring you back when we get ready to cut it up. See you then. Got trimmed up, all nice and neat. I don't know if y'all can see this marbling in here, but this marbling is just unreal. Look at that, guys. Look at that marbling. Alright. So, guys, I'm trying to decide, like, I can't really tell where the grains are running. So I think I'm just going to go right across here like that. Look how well marbled this is, guys. Just look at that marbling in there. I mean, the marbling in this is insane. I thought I had it. I mean, just look at that, guys. Look at that marbling in there. But yeah, we're going to get this all folded up nice. Fat cap's good. There's a fat cap there. I may trim just a little bit of that off, but I mean, that's perfect, guys. I mean, that's about where you want it. Oh, it's going to be good, guys. Alright, let me get this arranged a little differently. I'll bring you right back. Look, we're going to keep it real simple. We're just going to use coarse sea salt here on these. That's all we're going to use. And we're going to sprinkle some salt on here like so, guys. And that is it. That is all we're putting on these. The beef will speak for itself. We're just going to put that salt on there, guys. I mean, just look at that, guys. Man, I've never seen marbled beef like this. I'm not even sure if this is all going to fit on my skewer or not, to be honest with you. Alright, we're going to flip these over, guys. Give these a nice little patting like you would rub. And we're going to let these sit for probably a good 15 to 20 minutes, guys, while I get the Weber fired up, get that charcoal going. Not sure what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some some lump or regular. I don't know yet. I'm going to decide that. Probably going to go with some lump. Yeah, that's all we're going to do, guys. Is give it that nice salt on there. Alright, you guys, I got it nice and salted up. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'll bring it in a little bit. Got the nice salt on there, guys. We're just going to pat that in. Going to let it sit. We're going to get this Weber Master Touch fired up and get it going. We'll bring you back then. This picanha on here. Now I got my spit for my rotisserie here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this little piece here to start. And this is going to be a difficult one. I'm probably going to have to just loop it like this, guys. It's not ideal on how I want to do it, but it's going to work that way better, I think. Alright, now I'm going to get this thicker one here. And what you want to do, guys, is get this patted in kind of like in a C shape, just like that. I hope you guys can see that. Just like that. So I'm going to attempt to get this where I want it. There we go. Got it partially through there. Just got to wash my hands. Alright, we got it on there, guys. Alright, see? Got it on there. And I'll make adjustments as I go. But this is how we're going to do this tonight. We're going to try to make it as authentic Brazilian as I can. Again, I don't have the right, these really are done on big skewers and rotated, but you know, we're just going with what we got, guys, and this is the best way I know how to do it. And again, that didn't go on there the best way. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this, the rest of these on here, try to reposition this a little bit, and we'll bring you back when we get ready to put them on the grill. See you then. A game changer here. I went ahead and put a lump charcoal in here. I had a split of post oak. Guys, I can't get all this meat on my thing. I'll show you. I was unable to get all of it on there. Okay, I still got a chunk and a little chunk, but there's just nothing I can do right now with that. I'm going to have to cook it separately. It kind of sucks, but nothing I can do about it. These are perfectly centered. I'm going to go ahead and get this turned on. Hopefully I'm not blocking the view too much there. I got it going. So I'm going to let these go, guys, over this post oak. I'm going to give it a little smoke. I wasn't planning on it, but I'm going to give it a little smoke. I'm going to let these turn. I'm going to try to figure out something else with these other pieces of meat. Anyways, guys, I'll bring you back throughout the course. We check some temps. Shooting for a medium rare, guys. Medium rare. So anyways, but we'll bring you back. As you can tell, we're on the Santa Maria now. Yeah, so what happened is the rotisserie, these big pieces here didn't go through the fat. They went through the meat and just would not rotate at all, would not flip around. So unfortunately, I had to switch over to the Santa Maria. That's not what I had in mind, but it's all right because it comes in handy. It's there. So now we're doing Santa Maria style Wagyu Picanha. So anyways, guys, I'm going to continue to let this cook, and I'll bring you back. I just wanted to explain to you what happened. Alright guys, we're going to pull these bad boys off here. Whew. Get some temps real quick, guys, especially in this one. Yeah, this one's got a little ways to go, but I'm going to move it off the fire. Stand this one up with that fat. I want to get that fat crisp, guys. I'm not toasting this up. I'm going to get that fat nice and crispy. Look at it, guys. Man. Oh. We're going to move that over to the side there. We're going to check it. I'm going to check all these for temps, guys. Let me get this back out here. I'm gonna check all these for temps, see where we're at, and I'll bring you back when we get ready to slice into this. It has been a cluster, but you know what? We got it done. So, got my new slicer here, Hard Barbecue Right. I'll leave a link down below for it. See? Very nice. All right, cool. So, that being said, we're gonna cut this little guy here. I'm gonna save these big ones for later, for me and the missus. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut right down like butter, guys, just like butter. Oh yeah. I don't know if the camera does that any justice or not, but guys, that is freaking fantastic looking. Wow. Okay. I mean, just with ease, guys, with ease. There's not even an ounce of, I mean, just like butter. All right. I'm gonna give this one to my wife because it doesn't have as much fat on it. And then I'm gonna get you the camera turned around. We'll get you a taste test. It's taste test time. Let's do it. Like I say, guys, I don't know if it'll do it justice or not, but man, look at, oh, there you go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Cheers. Wow, guys. Wow. Okay, first of all, that is just melts in your mouth like butter. It just melts in your mouth. Oh my God. It is so good, you guys. If you've never had Wagyu, I highly suggest you try it out, guys. Try it out. That is just, oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off here. It's been a long night on this cook, but I'll leave a link down below to Snake River Farms. This is where I got this at. It ran like $100 with shipping, okay? Because they like to get to you quick. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button, that bell notification, let you know when I release new videos, new content. Anyways, guys, I'm going to enjoy this. My God, this is good. Anyways, guys, have a great night. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.